Hello, my name's Lucy. I study history at university. I wake up at 6:45 and listen to the radio in bed for 20 minutes or so. Then I get up and have breakfast. My classes start at 9 a.m. If the weather is good, I ride my bicycle to university. If the weather is bad, I leave my bicycle at home and catch the bus. After my classes, I normally go to the library to study. I read 1 or 2 books a week. In the evenings, I come home and cook dinner. I like to listen to music or a podcast while I cook. I spend a lot of time with my housemates. We often eat dinner together and then chat in the living room.